So after having lost 30 kilos and keeping that weight off for 20 years, I've been on both ends of the weight loss game here. Being the person that got a terrible relationship with movement and food, just using food as entertainment, not being conscious at all about how it impacts my health and energy, and just wanting to eat junk food all day. And then now being the person who enjoys exercise and is conscious of energy and health and how all those choices affect that. And what makes the difference, as I'm pointing to here, is being this person instead of that person, is making the journey from here to here. And that is really what's made the difference. People often, come in for training or coaching, and they're wondering how was it that I was able to do that? How is it that anyone is able to genuinely change their lives, to genuinely take the weight off and keep it off? It seems impossible. It seems like something that just couldn't happen, because you can't imagine being any other way, because this is who you are at this point, which is true. That is who you are at this point, and you can't pretend to be a different self at that time. It's something that needs to naturally grow and evolve, because the truth is you aren't there. You're not there at this point. But it doesn't mean that you can't be or that you won't be. I mean, we're always changing and growing and evolving. We just have to be more directive about where that goes, what you evolve into, who you want to become. This really is the secret. This is about you personally evolving into that new life, into that new self. It's not just about hacking your behavior change, hacking your diet and your movement schedule. It's being the person who wants to do those things. And you can't fake it till you make it. I know you may have heard that, but if you're faking it, it's just not something that sticks, and it's not something that's real. It's fake, So what you need to do is just try out a bunch of different things and see what takes your interest and what you might like to do there. Whether it be a particular sport or a particular way of exercising or getting more movement in your life. You trial it out. If it doesn't work, don't worry about it. Let it go. But then start where you are. Be honest with where you are and who you are now, and just make small, realistic changes that can stick. It's about that slow, progressive journey of personal change and personal evolution. It's just make one small change that makes sense, that you're ready to do. And that's not fake. If you want this, if you really want this, then there's going to be one small thing that you can do. One small change that will make a big difference. And it'll make a big difference as long as you're not saying to yourself, I should be doing more, and I have to be trying to be this person. I have to be trying to, be working out 5 times a week and be losing weight consistently. It's the thing that's going to last over time is the personality changes, the desire changes, the care and respect that you have for your body and health and being healthy. Those things, weight loss is just a side effect of those things, of the change within you. And this is it. The weight's going to go up and down. Your commitment is going to go up and down, and how healthy you're being is going to go up and down. But ultimately, if you're personally growing and evolving into being that person who has a better relationship with food and with exercise, that's when it'll last, because that's who you are now. And that's why it will last. So just my thought for the day. And again, I hope you got some value out of that. And surf the channel, see what else you might like. Click like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.